due to the way that, I don't know if you can see. If you look down in there, you can see the washers are sitting up on top of that middle ring assembly. So with that up there like that, the washer heads bind on that center assembly, so it'll sort of naturally center the part with respect to that ring a little bit. But before I completely lob this thing in here, so I'm just eyeballing, centering my scale on these two blocks, and then making sure the slit in this center piece splits the difference. Okay, right about there. Yep, that looks pretty good. And then alternate tightening the two screws, so hopefully it doesn't move too much as we crank the works down. So let's see, did I move it? Nope, that looks good. And I'm actually mushing the washers a bit as I tighten this down. So they'll be custom form fit by the time I'm done. So I'm just watching. Ooh. That actually is going to work out really nicely. If I hadn't just broke the part. You can see down there, when I tightened those, I over-tightened them and broke the corner of that bottom bracket. So I just completely boned myself. Because there is not space, I don't think, put a nut on there. The other one's slightly cracked, but currently this thing's still pretty rigid, so I'm not going to mess with it anymore and see how it holds up. But at some point I'm probably going to have to remake this bottom mount, which is going to be a royal pain. That sucked. That sucked a whole lot. Yeah, there's zero clearance. I can't just put a nut on top of this because it'll hit the base of this slide. But as you can see, yeah, that corner piece is completely gone. And the one on this side, I stopped in time. It's cracked, but it's still holding. I'm just going to sort of hope and pray on Loctite. And it makes a really cool little corn bead. So, that blows. That's it. Till next time.